Good morning. This is your morning breakfast. And a Tom. That is your half meal prize. You got a Tom. Who does many, many things.
I can breathe. I can do 2 plus 2 equals banana. And
What are you laughing at?
you!
What did I do?
You pointed out a thing!
Oh, right, yeah. There was an old lady that was walking past with a blue cardigan. On the side it had like a red R that was in the style of Team Rocket. And we called her Granny Rocket.
And you went, look, it's Team Rocket. I looked and I went,
Prepare for trouble. I've had prune juice and it's going to make my double. I can see the music over that now. You love it. This is the scan and shop thingy brought to you by Motorola. But yeah, it's easier to find a shop. But I'm holding it now with a basket. It looks like I'm a bloody Ghostbuster. I'm looking like I'm Venkman.
Ghostbusters.
I see intellectual. Oh god, it's a Slimer. I said Slimer, not Spitter. The orange juice, the milk. That, I'm going to say this now again, that has never been full before. Ever as much as that. Krispy Kremes and games. As well as that, I need to find my lead. It's only 3:30 now. It's not bad. This is going to be fun. I'm trying to look for the lead for my mic, which is going to be kind of interesting. Because I don't know where I put it. This is going to be interesting to find.
our old friend Derek.
Hello.
I didn't know Derek could dance. He's cutting a rug. No, not that sort of rug. Definitely not that sort. Nope. Wait, your ears a little bit. There we go. Yes, Derek? Yes, that's Maria. She's our new flatmate.
Nice to meet you.
Whoa. Logging!
Yeah, that down there was chocolate mousse in which Ron had made. Absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, it's coming up to midnight wise, so I'm going to call it a night. I'll see you guys tomorrow for a brand spanking new day, and hopefully it will be better than the rest. Well, I'm in uni. 10:30. Take care, guys.
No, stop.
Jamie's blog. Jamie's blog. Jamie's blog. Jamie's blog. Jamie's blog.